Hey YouTube, once again I've just come off of, well, maybe only 10 minutes of turning with no recording going on. Here's my camera mount system. This can actually slide back and forth, give me. So let's put this up there and do a little bit of turning. We are recording, yes. So what I have on here is a piece of high-speed steel. I've kind of worked out a not a new way of checking my tool height, but it's new for me. So we all got that right. Now my tool holder, my tool itself actually sticks out a little bit on this left side, and I can ride the body of the square down on the cutter itself, and that tells me that I am way low. Let's see here. Yeah. Doesn't look way low. Huh. Okay, so let's all right, that looks good. We're cutting high-speed steel with a high-speed steel tool that I ground. This is my second tool. I believe I've ground 2 drill bits, 1 successfully, and I would say I'd had 3 successes with the high-speed steel. I'm happy with all of them. I don't know where they're at to show you. Okay, we have the one that's in there, and it's breaking chips beautifully. We have this one here with the giant radius. And then this is my new one, just kind of a grooving tool. So let's go with the one that's in the machine. I'm going to take this up to about 10 o'clock on my dial. I'm waiting for an electrical box to mount my tachometer in. And I have to find something called a wall wart. Basically, the little thing that's between your, on your power cord for your laptop, that the little box that's between your appliance and your electrical outlet. And I believe I have 1 or 2 around. Okay, I'm going to dial in 10 thousandths of an inch. Yeah, I'm going to go about 10, 15, 10, 10. A little oil on there. don't know if you're seeing it, but chips are looking really good. Last time I did high-speed steel, with an insert, this was my chips. So with that tool, I did achieve something there. I'm going to run this down by hand. Okay, so I'm going to go 15,000. So I have a 10,000 showing here. I did not pull it back. So I'm going to take it to 25. There we go. A little oil. We're about 10 o'clock on my speed control. I want to give it more. We were at 10. I just gave it 15. Brought us to 25. So that means we're cutting which means whatever I add, I'm adding to 15 thousandths. So I'm gonna give it 10 more. It should give me 25 thousandths. So I want to turn the speed up. I believe the 25 thousandths. I always do this to get confused. I believe when I start here, I'll be hitting 25 thousandths. You guys can do the math and let me know in the comments. Okay, here's a sure way to find out. I'm going to zero this out here. And I'm just going to dial in 25 thousandths. Now we're going to dial in 30. Okay, I believe we can do that. But we're not going to. Hey, please tell a buddy, bring a friend, like and subscribe. If you don't mind, your age and where you are. Thank you, guys. I love you all.